Hello, everyone. So yeah, here I am. Still weird, I'm still here. I feel like a little like, because I haven't talked all morning. This is the first time you talking. I need earrings. I have to exchange a foundation at Sephora because I've been trying out different foundations because I just can't find like a good foundation. If you guys have a good foundation, let me know in the comments. I tried the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24 Hour and I thought I liked it, but I don't like it. So what I am using today is I have a sample of the Smashbox, the new one. I don't know what it's called because, like I said, I have the sample right here, and I just think it's really nice. It's full coverage. You don't need a lot. We're gonna do like a really simple, easy, everyday makeup look. So I was like, let me film that, even though my camera's gonna die and I should be charging it for today. But I'm just gonna put on my foundation really quick, and then I'll come back because everyone knows it's just boring. I've been trying the e.l.f. 16-hour concealer. So far I like it. I've been trying two powders lately. I typically use the Airspun one. It's like $5 at Walmart. I actually love it. I don't know, some people love it, some people don't. I'm going like out or like a date night, I'll do Cover FX. But I need to get more Airspun because I'm out of this. The only thing I don't like about this, I love how big and huge it is and it just has a lot of product in it. What I don't like about it is that it's messy. I just don't like how messy it is. I'm just using this Wet n Wild contouring palette. It's a good palette. I don't know what I'm wearing. So that's lovely. You gotta do under the chin to like really, I've been eating a lot of pasta lately. So honestly, I need to stop. And we gotta make it look more like chiseled, you know what I mean? Because I have such a round face, but once I put bronzer on, it kind of sculpts me. We gotta give the illusion that I'm like thin when I'm really like, because that pasta will do that to you. I forgot, I purchased this Poreless e.l.f. Putty Primer probably like 2 days ago, and I've actually been trying it like since the 2 days, but I forgot to put it on today. I was too excited like to film and stuff. I just jumped right into my foundation. So that's lovely. Let me know if you guys have been trying this, if you guys like it. I like to take these two shades and just put them under the brow bone. It just kind of highlights the brow bone, of course. But yeah, my everyday makeup is super easy and I can do it pretty quickly. It's really simple. It really is. But look at the difference that it just kind of like wakes up the eyebrow, like, hello, I'm here. Okay. And then I take a fluffy brush. Where's my fluffy brush? Right here. I need a new one because this one's just, ugh. And I go in with the fourth color, this brown, and I kind of mix it in with all the browns actually. And then I just pop it into my crease. And then I'll go back in with my contouring palette and I'll just go back into that crease. And then I'm taking this Morphe Y20 brush and I feel it opens my eyes up. I cannot not put eyeshadow underneath my waterline. And then I go in with my Carly Bible palette. These are like my go-to things and I'm literally showing you what I do every day. This one I have torn up horribly. Like this palette's, I don't know, this is my favorite palette, obviously. I go in with these two highlighters. And I love these highlighters so much, and I put them into my inner corner, and it just brightens up my eye. Anastasia, I love this highlighter. This is the one I use every single day. I love Anastasia, and I just add that to the highlight area. This is literally my everyday, I can do it in 15 minutes, literally, if not faster. This is MAC Whirl. And I just outline my lips. And then I'm just going in with the Bang Bad Gal mascara. On my camera I just hit 12:22 minutes, but I love those numbers. That's why I said it like that. I don't have any mascara in here, so I'm like scraping it out. It's so quiet. I missed filming though. I always say this, but it's the truth. But I just get so caught up in life, and life can be so weird and so crazy, and I'm just learning and growing and trying to learn and trying to learn to just flow with life, you know? And so when I had the opportunity to film today, I took it up, and I'm already having like the best day, so and it's just started. And I'm gonna go do some shopping, so it's gonna be a good day. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I made it to the mall, so that's lovely. My mom is gonna meet me here, so I'm just, of course, waiting for her, as always. Mother, get your ass here. Just kidding. Yeah, I just wore a scarf. It's a little chilly today. Jean jacket, leggings, and my Doc Martens. Pretty simple, because I don't want to be out all day. I don't like a lot of people, and I told her as soon as the mall opens, let's be there, because, I don't know, I'm just like not a big crowd people person. You know what I mean? I mean, unless I want to be there. But I don't really want to be at the mall. I don't really like the mall. It's not really for me. Unless I'm shopping for myself. Oh gosh. It's a beautiful day though. It's a beautiful Saturday. I need to not sing because I don't sing good. Let's put on some lipstick. Should I show you guys what's in my purse? Okay. Purse from Aldo. Yeah, I got it like a month ago, 3 weeks ago. I absolutely love it. It's big enough for everything. I've been rocking a backpack. So this is like the first thing. I actually really like it. And you can hold it like on your arm, or you can use it crossbody. So I really like that. I love the detailing. And then it just opens, of course. The only thing is that like I'm scratching this up, so it's taking off the black. But other than that, it's cool. There's a pocket here and then a bigger pocket here. I'll show you guys what I have in here. Oh, she's cute. I like her outfit. I have two things. I have my wallet, which I got on Amazon. Super cute wallet. I think my mom actually got this for me. And it just has my cards. And I like the way it opens. And it's sleek and it's small. And then I have a clear case for just like my makeup and stuff because it's just easy access. I'll show you guys my favorite lip balm I have in here because my lips are so dry during the winter time. And I love the Bite lip mask. You guys should try it if you haven't tried it. It's amazing. It's like $26, but I know Sephora was having a sale for $13. My go-to lipstick in here is the Morphe, what is this called? Tempt. It's just a really pretty lipstick color. It's my favorite. It's my go-to. I have my Vaseline lip balm in here, my Refresh lubrication drops because my eyes get dry, and mascara. And everything else is just, I don't know what, just crap. What else do I have in here? I have a pink lighter, I don't know why, and my cute sunglasses that I got from Forever 21. Here's the security because I've been sitting here forever. Security always feels like they gotta check up on me. I'm kidding. I have gum in here. I have Orbit gum. I'm gonna put a piece in my nail. Oh, this husband. I was wondering what he was doing just sitting in his truck. He was waiting for his wife. So yeah, that's all I have in my purse. And I feel because I have a small purse, I keep it organized. And I keep it like only the necessities. Love it. I got it at Aldo for $60. So if you guys are interested in getting it. Oh, and then it has a little zipper here in the back. So I always put like my phone like this, and it's just, it works out perfectly. And it just goes with everything because I always wear black. I love black. So, am I still recording? Do we still look in focus? I didn't even have that whole thing up, so I hope I was in the screen.
Hey, we're in the parking lot. Where are you?
Do you see me?